Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video we're going to talk about my wonderful 3-ingredient superfood chocolate, and you can use whatever toppings you want for this. I'm just keeping it short and simple by focusing on 3 ingredients: coconut oil, organic coconut oil. I'm using some cacao powder, which is high in antioxidants, raw cacao powder, and I'll be using honey. If you don't feel like using honey, then you can replace that by either stevia or some maple syrup or agave syrup, whatever you feel comfortable with. I'm just basically lighting a candle, trying to keep this short and simple as well. You can do it on the in the microwave, you can do it on the stove top. I'm just doing it right here, mixing the ingredients together: equal amounts of coconut oil, equal amounts of cacao powder and honey, mixing it until I have a lovely thin paste, and placing it into wonderfully decorated silicone molds, placing it into the fridge or the freezer, and enjoying the chocolate that way. Raw superfood chocolate. You can also use whatever toppings you want. As soon as you pour it into the silicone molds, you can top it with some coconut flakes, with some shredded nuts as well, grinded nuts. You can top some hemp seeds, whatever toppings you feel comfortable with, whatever toppings that your children love. This recipe ensures that the children get healthy fats, and you also get healthy fats and healthy nutrients and minerals and vitamins from the ingredients that we've used. Keep it short, keep it simple. Thank you so much for watching. Here I'm also topping some ashwagandha powder. You can use some maca powder. You can use whatever herb that's safe for both yourself and whoever is consuming it. You can also include some moringa powder in there. I find that moringa works best in this recipe. Just a little amount of moringa, precisely around half a teaspoon of moringa powder works best, and that ensures that you get the nutrients without actually tasting the taste and the smell of moringa. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and have a great, lovely day.